Okay. See if the elevator works. Man, it's kind of dirty. This is the elevator at G-6 Shoppingcenter in Yokneam, Israel. This is an Isralift elevator. The capacity is 8 persons of 650 kilograms. Here out one. Let's go to 0, which is the ground floor. Let's see if the fan works. All the fans. Oh man, my eyes! Sorry. Yeah, so this elevator looks really basic. Look at me over there, see? Hi. They got a Dewhurst buttons over here. Let's take one more right and then back and then finish on 0. There are instructions over here. Isralift lifts and escalators logo. Let's go to ground floor and finish there. This is a better look at the capacity. And here we go down to the ground floor. Those are instructions if you got stuck in the elevator. Let's get out here. Yeah, there's a dirty hallway over here. There's the core panel, firefighters panel. It takes forever to close, by the way. Come on. This thing refuses to close. I need to get kind of far away. Let's get quite far from the elevator. There we go. And that's it.